welcome back to another video, and today we're gonna play Roblox Build a Boat for Treasure. So I guess we're gonna I have a new person here. It's called Princess Girls Like. And so we're gonna show you I'm gonna show you my best glitch. So basically it's this one. Yep, that one. And so what I'm gonna do is place one rod and a metal 3, and then we're gonna do 1, 2, 3. Make 3, 4. Oh my god, why do I keep missing? Oh. It's 4, and that's 5, and that's 6, and that's 7. You can add 8 or 7. So the first thing we're gonna do is add 2 rods on the back, of course. And then make sure you have spring, because we're gonna add spring facing this way, just like that. Okay. And so she's gonna go right back, so Oh yeah. So what you wanna do is put the thing how about, we're gonna place a magnet facing frick, messed up, this way, just like that. And then oh my god, guys, I forgot that you have to, where is it? Oh yeah, come right here, put the move into 0.5, just like that. And then you want to do is place any block you want, any block, and place that. Place a block, and then she joined back, so join my team. You can just, so you want to do is place a lever, or you can place the magnet first. So it probably looks like this, connected. So yeah, and then probably do that. Then let's see if this works or I'm wrong. So yep, it works. Oh, it ended. So that works. And why does it keep ending it? There we go. So I guess that's it. If you have the paintbrush, you can customize it and stuff like that. I already do it once. So you can, if you have one friend that is new, just add a chair behind. If you have 2 friends, it will not work. If you have 2 seats, it will break. And so Just take that. And then we can do this. If you want me to show you, oh yeah, I already did this video. We can just do that, and then boom. Super duper fast. It's very hard. It's very hard to control it on mobile. Oh yeah, if you delete the... Stop, bro. Let me delete one of the things. Now I'll reset. Just like that. Okay. So I'm doing a build video right now. I'm doing a build. Yes, I am doing one. So I'll show you this one. Actually, I'm gonna show you this one. This is gonna be the crazy one I just built yesterday. This one. she righted it. Go in. I'm gonna prank her, and then I'm gonna... Oh, this works! This works! I'm gonna prank her, then do something crazy. Then keep doing this. And then I'm gonna click. Oh. Click. Oh. Then I'm gonna get out. And then she's dead. Woohoo! And see you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. And hit that notification bell on. Too. And see you guys. Bye.